Scorpio, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the month of May 2020, and yeah, guys, let's see what is coming for you guys. Let's hope for the best. I'm wishing you so many blessings, abundance, health, wealth, care, prosperity, success, love, and yeah, all the good vibes from me to you guys. Let's see what is coming for you guys. This is for the Scorpio people for the month of May 2020. Five of Swords, this is your overall energy. Let's see. Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Transformation. Here you are, Scorpio. Transformation right in the middle of your reading. Very, very actively present. Knight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Judgment, King of Swords. So some of you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Earth sign are also here, Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. Okay, so Scorpio, what I'm feeling from the cards that you have gone through a transformation because of the situation with your past person. Yeah, because there were so many arguments and fights between you and your person, and some kind of disputes, like unnecessary arguments were happened with your person, like they were just finding the reason for your for the fight with you. So very toxic person, very manipulative energy I'm feeling from this Five of Swords for you guys. Like for your person, they were just exhausted. Okay, in your recent past we have Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. So someone is holding on to you, or holding on to a specific person or a specific situation of the past, but I'm feeling that you have diverted your energy, yes, towards your workspace with this Two of Pentacles present here, and you just want to offer you their cup of love. You just want to offer you your cup of love only to the person who will be loyal to you. Nothing else, nothing less than more, or nothing less than it and nothing more than it. You just want equal give and take in the relationship, and you just want pure feelings, pure affections for you from the person you are dealing with. In your current energy we have Ace of Pentacles, Transformation and Knight of Swords for you guys. So Scorpio, because of your dark night of the soul, you are now receiving so many new offers of love, and for some of you it must be business offers or work related new projects which can make your life a very stable, and they will change your life, and the person, new person, and they want a swift and very, very fast communication with you with this Knight of Swords present here. Yeah, they can't wait. With the Seven of Pentacles, Judgment and the King of Swords present in your immediate future, I'm feeling that yeah, you have transformed, and because of the universe push, you are now investing your time, effort and energy only the things which can give you benefit, which are good for your higher good, which can give you results for your betterment, for your growth. You just want to put your time, effort and energy in those kind of things. Let's see why is the Five of Swords are here for your overall energy, Scorpio. Five of Swords for the Scorpio, please. Star, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. Sun, wow. Scorpio, this is amazing. Like you have three major arcanas on a row, and very, very positive major arcanas: Star, Wheel of Fortune and the Sun card. So you are moving forward from this negative behavior of yours or of the person of yours from the past, and you are moving directly into your blessings, abundance, and very, very lucky person. You will be a very lucky person very soon, because this is star card and this is the destined situation with this wheel of fortune. The outcome will change very, very soon. If you're thinking negative, just don't think negative. Be positive and be the higher vibration energy of the sun, so that you can attract all these abundance and very beautiful blessed things for you guys. So much blessings are coming your way because of the transformation, of yourself. Scorpio, very positive. Let's see why is the transformation is here for the Scorpios. Transformation for the Scorpio people. Nine of Cups, okay. Fool. Five of Cups, okay. So yeah, you have your wish fulfillment very, very soon. You will have new beginnings, and for some of you the person is feeling sad, and for some of you, you are feeling sad that the new beginnings are not with the past person, this is with the new person. So just don't think that, because you are capable of it, and universe is providing you these new opportunities and new chances to get these beautiful things for you, and your wish is granted. Wow, your wish has been granted from the universe. This is the fruit of your labor, Scorpio. This is the fruit of your labor. So just accept it and move forward. Very positive. Let's see why is the Knight of Swords is here for the Scorpio, please. Knight of Swords for the Scorpio people. Hierophant. Queen of Cups. Queen of Wands. Okay. So many major arcanas which are very positive for you in this reading. I'm feeling that very spiritual connection is coming your way with this Knight of Swords present here. The person is also telling you about spirituality and about yourself. You are learning something about yourself from this person, and now you are putting the love in yourself, to yourself first, and you are very, very confident, abundant, and independent. Beautiful Scorpio. Let's see why is the Judgment here for the Scorpio. Why is the Judgment here for the Scorpio, please? Queen of Pentacles, Emperor, Page of Cups. Okay, so yeah, you have gone through your dark night of the soul of your transformation and something, all those things of your transformation. Now you are nurturing yourself, you are taking care of yourself, you are loving yourself, and the person has awakened from a very, 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 very deep sleep, and they want communication with you. This is your past person. Because of the push of from the universe, they have now awakened, and they want communication with you, because they have just realized that they can't live without you, with this Five of Pentacles also present here. And yeah, but you are very clear about your future life, about your goals, Scorpio, which is very good. Just be clear, because so many good things are coming your way. I'm feeling blessed by reading these cards for you. Beautiful, feeling blessed. Let's see why is the King of Swords is here for the Scorpio. Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands, Ace of Swords. Okay, so don't feel stuck, because you have a little bit your guard up, because you are a water sign, and you are giving preference towards your feelings, but now you are a little bit closed off because of the past experience. Just express what you want to say it, don't hold back, be truthful, and be very clear towards your person, or towards your, have true intentions for your goals, for your new life. Let's have an advice for the Scorpio, please. Advice for the Scorpio people, please, for the month of May 2020. Two of Cups, Six of Wands, Empress. Wow, So this is your divine partner, your divine counterpart. Divine masculine and divine feminine energies are present here, and then this Two of Cups. So the person is really in love with you. They are your true soulmate, and yeah, they want victory within the situation with you. They love you. You are their wish fulfillment. You are their sun. You are their lucky person. You are the reason of their happiness, which is very great. And you want also emotional contentment with them, so they are very capable of it, to giving you the new beginnings. Beautiful. So you are moving forward towards your abundant life, Scorpio, and I'm wishing you so many blessings as well. This must be very soon, very soon, in the near future, immediate future. Yeah. So I'm feeling this very strong connection for you guys, like the marriage is happening for you, for most of you. I'm feeling great energy for you guys. So yeah, this is I have for you, Scorpio. I'm wishing you blessings, and I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. You can also share it with your friends and family if you want to find it helpful. And yeah, you can give me suggestion in the comment section below if you want some more content from this channel through. So yeah guys, this is I have for you. Bye.